Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Bob Krone, the Beyond Earth think tank, and the Kepler, American Space Academy. This will be a very short presentation on a plan for 1,000 Earth space stations. I want to get your wake up, however. Let's listen to the wake up call on the ISS station with the Endeavour crew. What we have in the International Space Station today is the best example of international cooperation that exists in the world, with the goal of achieving peace on Earth and in the future as we settle in space. Okay, let me just quickly give you the purpose of our project for 1,000 Earth space stations. We want to create across the United States, with 20 stations in each of our 50 states of the United States, a different kind of space station, which will be independently operated, which is designed for learning centers, focusing on the exploration of space and space resources for Earth. These will be conduits and multi-purpose kinds of stations for Americans throughout the United States to contribute their ideas, imagination, and dreams for the vision and planning for capturing benefits from space for global humanity. There's a lot of reasons to do this, which I'm not going to spend a lot of time with this evening. You can see those on the slides, but basically we want to increase space benefits, awareness across America. We want to educate across America, and we're going to be involved with all ages, beginning with youth up to my age. We're going to capture the ideas and recommendations in a huge database through each of those 1,000 space stations. We want to accelerate the benefits for Earth from space, exploration, not only exploration, but the future habitation and settlements in space. One of our purposes is to maintain the United States lead in the space program, but through an intensive international cooperation. And we want to prevent the dystopian futures which we know could happen either from natural causes on Earth or from some sort of evil intent. Now, here's one of the main features that we have to help in this project. We published this Beyond Earth book in 2006. We had 42 scientists, astronauts, engineers, university professors. We figured that of the 42 people who were co-authors in this book, we had over 1,000 years of experience across the board in all space systems. Those 42 people will be the core of a think tank which goes about setting up this project of 1,000 Earth-based stations. Back in the 1940s, 50s, and 60s, my parents established a school for music and arts. It's in Idlewild, California, and in one of their music book series, they had this statement that you can now see. Somewhere, somehow, we must find a common ground of understanding, of mutual respect, of enjoyment and enthusiasm in doing something together. It's our belief that that something is going to be brought about in a major way by space. Now, we want your ideas. We're not, this is the beginning of a major program for the United States. We're going to be soliciting ideas from you all. There's my email. And this is a kind of a little target for you to think about as you give us your ideas. Assume that you are responsible for creating an Earth space station at your school, in your community, in your city, or your state. And ask the question, my Earth space station, how it will bring space benefits to Earth faster. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to be here at Yuri with all